Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Andrew and today we are going to be doing the 10-minute drum mix challenge. So I'm going to set a 10-minute timer on my phone. You're going to see a countdown and I'm going to take these drum tracks and just see how far I can get with them in that time. All right, I'm going to have to fly through this. So I'll talk over exactly what I end up doing at the end, but let's just get started. So here we go, 10 minutes starting now, and let's just start grouping things together. So kick, snare, actually I want to be able to see these. Toms, don't care that I spelled it. I'm gonna fix it. And overheads is fine. Okay, let's just start with kick. Let's just get a balance first. I prefer starting with kick out. I feel like they're maybe out of phase. Yes, they definitely were. Okay, let's process them together. I'm just gonna do favorite EQ. Actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna do this. That's gonna have to do for now. Kick, all right. Snare, same idea. Get a balance. Sure. EQ. Hit the drum. Okay, don't have much time. All right, we're gonna call that good for now. Let's roll through toms here. I think right at the end. Yeah. Yep, all right, let's just copy that across and we'll fix them as we go. All right, this one, tom 2. All right, tom 3. Left time. All right, bounce them. All right, those we're gonna call good. Let's just gate. Actually, let's do the same thing. Let's start gating these. Yeah, drum leveler has a really good gate. Hello, open. Thank you. Okay. No compression, just the low end. No, zero compression. All right, that's gonna have to do. Yeah, well, that's gonna have to do. All right, where are we at? 4 minutes left. Okay, we gotta really cruise. Let's start doing, I guess let's gate this as well. Let's gate this while we're at it. All right, did we? Yes, okay. Actually. Three minutes, okay. Snare reverb. Snare short. Let's do Pro R. From Studio, maybe that'll. Cool. Now let's do the long one. Gold plate. That's gonna have to do. All right, tom reverbs. Let's just do one. I actually think the default's fine on this. It's gonna have to be good enough. All right, go, go, go. Oh, overheads. Okay. Got a minute 30 left. I'm gonna try to do parallel drums. Let's see. All right, we've got the third. Okay. Parallel drums. Parallel drums. Parallel drums. No. All right. Come on. It's gonna have to do. we've got 20 seconds. Let's just put this on the master bus. That's our time. That was way more stressful than I expected it to be, honestly. I don't even know how it sounds. Let's take a listen. Honestly, that was way more stressful than I expected, but it sounds pretty good. All right, I've taken a second to catch my breath, and I'm just gonna go through what I very hastily did here. So I bussed the 2 kick drums together, did an EQ. This is a pretty common thing I'll do sometimes if I'm in a hurry. I will just do like a high shelf, just like take all the high end out, add low punch, and then add back some pokes for a little bit of like click with it. And then I gated it. I don't even know if I gated it right. Seems fine. All right, moving on to snare, I kind of did the same thing. I just leveled the balance between them, and then I did an EQ. I basically just high passed it like 80, did like a 200 punch to add some beef, took out some like 700 boxiness and added a little bit of almost 10K click, and then gated that with this plugin. I did leave the compression on this just so that it would squash it just a little bit. Toms, that's the group. So the group I just sent to Reverb, which is just like whatever the default FabFilter Pro R was. It sounded pretty good to me. Oh, and then for snare reverbs, I did a short one, which was the Drum Studio. I just left it as is. And then the gold plate. So make something to add a little thicker and then give it a little longer, like splat sound. Just like overall, this is what it ended up with. Not sure that gate is perfect, but it's pretty good. Whatever. Toms, pan them -40, -20, 40, or 20, 40. Did an EQ basically, I just boosted the fundamental. So I just literally looked for the highest spike, boosted that, cut out some boxiness. I think it varied between the toms, between like 400 and 1K. Added some like 8K, and then did a low shelf at 12K, or a low pass filter at 12K. Did gates with drum level, and then I sent everything to parallel compression, where I did the DBX 160, where all I did was adjust the threshold until I saw like 20 dB of compression. I wanted to just smack that. And then for the EQ, I did 6 boost, 6 attenuation on 100 Hertz. It doesn't cancel out. It does like a weird curve thing. And then I boosted 4 at 4K with a width of 6. And then I put everything into the master bus, the God particle plugin, which is basically just like an analog chain that just like beefs everything up. And then I just pulled the input gain back so that it wouldn't clip. And that is what I was able to pull off in 10 minutes. If you guys have anything else like this you want me to try, maybe I'll do kind of a little bit longer time frame and I'll do like a whole mix or something. That wouldn't have to be like 30 minutes at least. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video at all, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and leave a comment about how you think I did. And let me know what I did wrong. I'm sure plenty. All right, see you guys in the next one. Later.